Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best 3-slot pan you can get for your kitchen, the ESLITE 11-inch non-stick divided grill pan. Whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this versatile 3-in-1 grill pan promises to upgrade your cooking experience and bring some serious convenience to your stovetop. Right out of the gate, this grill pan stands out with its clever divided design. Instead of juggling multiple pans or constantly cleaning between dishes, you get 3 separate sections to cook different foods at once. This means you can grill your bacon, cook eggs, and toast your sandwich simultaneously without the flavors mixing together. It's a game changer for those who want to prepare a full meal quickly and efficiently. The pan is crafted from high-quality die-cast aluminum, which ensures rapid and even heat distribution. This means your food cooks evenly every time, with no cold spots that leave you guessing. On top of that, the pan features an eco-friendly non-stick granite coating that's both PTFE and PFOA-free. This coating makes cooking healthier since you'll need less oil or butter, and cleanup is a breeze because nothing sticks to the surface. One of the features that makes this pan truly versatile is its compatibility with all stovetops. Whether you have a gas, electric, ceramic, or induction cooktop, this pan will work efficiently. The magnetized base enhances heat transfer, speeding up cooking time and saving energy, which is perfect for busy kitchens. Plus, the handle is made from heat-resistant Bakelite, ensuring it stays cool and comfortable to grip even while cooking. The ESLITE grill pan also comes equipped with handy features like double-pour spouts on each side, which make it easy to drain away excess grease or liquids without any mess. Its size is ideal. Large enough to fit 2 steaks or burgers comfortably but still compact enough to handle easily and store without hassle. Cleaning is another area where this pan shines. It's dishwasher safe, which makes it incredibly convenient for everyday use. The non-stick surface means you won't have to scrub stubborn food residues, and the sturdy construction means it will last for years without warping or losing its coating. Although it's not oven safe, this pan's primary focus is on stovetop cooking, and it excels at that. The design strikes a balance between the heaviness of cast iron and the lightness of traditional pans, giving you durability without sacrificing ease of use. ESLITE backs their product with a solid guarantee, offering either a full refund or replacement if you receive a defective item. Their experience of over 30 years in non-stick cookware is evident in the thoughtful design and quality of this grill pan. To sum it up, the ESLITE 11-inch non-stick divided grill pan is a fantastic addition for anyone looking to simplify meal prep while maintaining great cooking performance. Its divided sections, excellent heat distribution, easy cleaning, and stovetop versatility make it the best 3-slot pan you can bring into your kitchen. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your cookware, this pan is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews and kitchen tips. See you in the next video.